The story of Michael ର question answer ଆଲୋଚନା କରିବା। ଡବଲ ଆଇ ଅଛି compression it answer the following questions। First question, who were Michael, Isabel and Lucky? अर्थात माइकेल, इजाबेल एवं लकी किए? आंसर, Michael was a poor shepherd, Isabel was his wife and Lucky was their son। ମାଇକେଲ ଜଣେ ଗରିବ ମେଷପାଳକ ଥିଲେ, ଇଜାବେଲ ତାଙ୍କ ପତ୍ନୀ ଥିଲେ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଲକି ସେମାନଙ୍କର ପୁତ୍ର ଥିଲା। Where did they live? ସେମାନେ କେଉଁଠାରେ ରହୁଥିଲେ? Answer, they lived in a cottage on the top of a hill। ସେମାନେ ପାହାଡ଼ ଉପରେ ଏକ କୁଡ଼ିଆରେ ରହୁଥିଲେ। Question number 3, did the nephew pay back his debt? Answer ହେଲା କ'ଣ? No, the nephew did not pay back his debt। କାରଣ ତମ ପୁତୁରା ଋଣ ପରିଶୋଧ କରିନଥିଲା। Question number 4, where did Lucky go to earn money? ଲକି ଟଙ୍କା ରୋଜଗାର କରିବାକୁ କେଉଁଠାକୁ ଗଲା? କେଉଁଠାକୁ ଯାଇଥିଲା? ସହରକୁ ଯାଇଥିଲା ନାଇଁକି? ତାର ଆନ୍ସର କ'ଣ ହେବ ପିଲାମାନେ? ଲକି went to the city earn money। ଲକି ଟଙ୍କା ରୋଜଗାର କରିବାକୁ ସହରକୁ ଗଲା। Who took away Michael's sheep and land? କିଏ ମାଇକେଲର ମେଣ୍ଢା ଏବଂ ଜମିନ୍ ନେଇଗଲା? କିଏ ନେଲା? The money lender take away Michael's sheep and land। Next, we write these sentences in the proper order। ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସ ଗୁଡ଼ା ଦିଆଯାଇଛି ଆମେ ତାକୁ ଠିକ୍ କ୍ରମରେ ସଜାଡ଼ିକି ଲେଖିବା। ତ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ କ'ଣ ହେବ? ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଦେଇଛି ମାଇକେଲ stood surety for his nephew। ସେକେଣ୍ଡ କ'ଣ ହେବ ଏଠି? ନା the nephew dead। ଥାର୍ଡ଼ଟା ହେବ ମାଇକେଲ sent Lucky to the city। 4, Lucky fell into bad company। 5, Lucky ran away to another country। 6, Michael died broken hearted। Okay, ट्रिपल आई କ'ଣ ଅଛି ନା ବିଟା write short answer, triple A B, write short answer to these questions with yes and with no। Example, first example, was the man very poor? yes ଆମେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ବ୍ୟବହାର କରିବା ସେଟା yes he was। no ବ୍ୟବହାର କଲେ କ'ଣ ହେବ? no ଯଦି ଆମେ ୟୁଜ୍ କରୁଛେ no he wasn't, no he wasn't ତାର ସର୍ଟ ଫର୍ମ। ତ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଅଛି କ'ଣ? ଆର୍ ୟୁ ଲକି? yes ୟୁଜ୍ କରିବା yes I am, no I am not। Second, is she very clever? yes she is। no यूज कले no she isn't। Third, Do you play cricket? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Can you lift this box? Yes, I can. No, I can't. Will she keep her promise? Yes, she will. No, she won't. Triple IC. Complete the incomplete words in the following sentence. ଏଠି କିଛି incomplete word ଦେଇଛି ସେଠି ଆମେ correct letter ଲେଖି ତାକୁ complete କରିବା. Lucky was a good and OBE dash 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 son. Lucky was a good and obedient son. OBEDIENT. Next to Michael had a nephew. NEPHEW. Nephew, but no Nick. Number 3. Kuldeep is rich, but his friend is poor. POOR. 4. The shepherd was grazing his sheep. SHEPHERD. Okay. Number 5. Mr. Sanjay has one son and one daughter. DAUGHTER. D. Make 5 sentences from this table. First, Lucky fell into. First sentence, Lucky fell into bad company. Second sentence, Lucky grew up into a handsome boy. Sentence 3, please come here into the garden. 4, she put her books into the bag. 5, Lucky brought new hope into the life of his parents. IIE. Make the following sentences negative. Negative use करें. Use did not plus V1 verb first form रहेगा. Question number first. He lived with his wife. He lived with his wife. Answer. He did not. Negative कले he did not lived. एटी कौन हबा ना live है जो first form रहेगा. He did not live with his wife. Number 2. He loved his sister. Negative. He did not love his sisters. Number 3. Lucky went to the city. Answer. Negative answer. Lucky did not go to the city. Number 4. Crops grew in the field. Negative. Crops did not grow in the field. 5. She kept the book on the table. She did not keep the book on the table. Number 6. Madhu worked hard for the examination. Negative. Madhu did not work hard for the examination. मोर ये वीडियो देखिथिबारु अनेक धन्यवाद. जदि ये वीडियो भल लगे तेबे लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब कर दियो कहीं ना आहुरी नुआ नुआ वीडियो आसिले ताको भल भाबरे देखि परिबो.